Assalamu alaikum dear students, how's you? Hope you all fine. Today is our fourth online lecture of unit number 2 microorganisms from reading page 24 to 27. And the topic is how to prevent the spread of communicable diseases. We should always be aware and follow these steps to prevent ourselves from getting infected by communicable diseases. Now move to the next slide. Look at this slide. Tell the infected person to keep a tissue over his her nose and mouth while sneezing. Next slide shows do not eat uncovered food, especially from roadside hawkers. Next slide. This slide shows how food become dirty and bad for health. This germs causes disease. Move to the next slide. Do not allow water to collect anywhere in your neighborhood as it becomes a breeding place for mosquitoes. Make sure the water you drink is filtered. Now move to the next topic, useful microorganisms. How microorganisms can be beneficial to us. Microorganisms are also useful in our daily lives. Some of these uses are mentioned here. Food industry, medicines and vaccine industry, in agriculture. First, plant interaction, microbe are also called microorganisms. Many microbes are found in nature and help plants to grow. The bacteria absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into nitrates. These serve as natural fertilizers for plants. Next, also in nature as oxygen production, cyanobacteria or blue-green algae produce oxygen in the ocean. Next, also in nature, decomposition, breakdown. What we can define decomposition? Defined as a breakdown of raw organic materials to a finished compost. Without this recycling of inorganic nutrients, primary productivity on the globe would stop. Next, use in the food industry, cheese and yogurt, bread, alcohol production. Cheese is also made by the action of bacteria on milk. Yeast plays an important role in the preparation of food items like bread and baked goods. Alcohol production. Yeast is also used in alcohol production when fermentation occurs without air. You know what is meant by fermentation? Define fermentation. A process during which the bacteria break down the complex sugars into simple compounds like carbon dioxide and alcohol. Fermentation changes the product from one food to another. So next use in medicines, bacteria and fungi are used to make antibiotics. Next, microorganisms are also used to make vaccines. Vaccines that protect humans and other animals from various diseases. Vaccines are used to protect children from diseases like hepatitis, polio, measles, and smallpox. So, the most interesting information for you, penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928, vaccines discovered by Edward Jenner in 1796. So, move to the next slide. Probiotics. You know what are probiotics? What are they? Like microorganisms which, when administered in adequate amount, confer a health benefit on the host. What type of bacteria are they? Lactobacilli, which are part of the beneficial natural microflora found in the human gut. So, dear students, these are all the beneficial uses of microorganisms. Move to the next slide. Now the topic is harmful microorganisms. Not all microorganisms are useful, some of them are harmful. Some of these are mentioned below. Harmful microorganisms, they cause diseases, means germs. Pathogens is the scientific names of germs. Diseases is caused when pathogens enter our body through food, through insects, and through the air. So next, microorganisms can also cause diseases in plants and reduce crop yield. Next, food spoilage, which is mentioned on your reader, page 26. What is a food spoilage? Food spoilage is defined as damage to food rendering in unsuitable for human consumption. Bacteria and fungi cause food to spoil. Food must be considered spoiled if it is contaminated with pathogenic microorganisms or various poisonous agents such as pesticides, heavy metals, etc. So, see this slide. Food spoilage. If someone consumes such food items, he could suffer from food poisoning, which is a serious food disorder. So, there are different methods that are used for food preservation to protect it from spoilage due to the effect of microorganisms. So class, sum it up. Unit 2 reading is completed. Hope you have understand this reading. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.